minutes a day. Dress really warm, said her mother. So Jasmine dressed really warm, and right away it started to snow very hard. So Jasmine sang, "Oh, neat, neat, snowy feet, can't be beat. Neat, neat, snowy feet, can't be beat. Winter time is fun." So good, chicken. So Jasmine walked down the road towards the school. By the time she got to the corner, the snow was up to her knees. So Jasmine sang, "Gee, frozen knees, boots are filling up on me. Gee, frozen knees, boots are filling up on me. Winter time is coming." Jasmine walked and walked and walked, and soon the snow was up to her bum. So Jasmine sang, she said bum. "Poor bum, frozen numb, snow so deep I cannot run. Poor bum, frozen numb, snow so deep I cannot run. Winter time is fun." Jasmine walked and walked and walked. She could see the school, but the snow was up to her nose. So Jasmine sang, "Okay, give me a minute, baby." I know.